people think to start a cleaning business, you need to clean houses, buy supplies, hire employees, manage a team, do it all yourself. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Tina Service, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I built a 7-figure cleaning business without doing any of that by leveraging independent contractors and using a simple referral agency model. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can use this strategy to start a cleaning business that runs without you doing the cleaning. Here's the core idea. Instead of cleaning homes yourself or hiring employees, you act as a referral partner. You connect clients who need cleaning service with skilled independent contractors who want steady work but don't want to run their own business. And you earn a percentage of every job you book. You don't clean, you don't carry supplies, and you don't manage payroll. You run the business, not the broom. Okay. Most cleaners are amazing at what they do, but they don't want to deal with marketing, scheduling, or sales. Most homeowners don't want to waste time vetting people, getting not the same person in their house over and over, where they have to retrain a new cleaner every single time they have a service. So here's where you step in as the trusted connector. You build relationships with both sides and create a simple system that makes everything run smoothly. This is what's called a referral agency, and it's one of the lowest risk, highest reward ways to build a business. I started my house cleaning business 18 years ago, right after going through a divorce, filing bankruptcy, and having to support 2 young children. I was working in corporate HR, but my company was being bought out, and I knew I needed a new path. I met a woman at my daughter's cheer competition who told me she cleaned houses. She was making more than I was just by cleaning 10 to 15 houses a week, and she wasn't even working 40 hours a week. She got to spend time with her daughter. She got to run around taking her all these different cheerleading competitions. And again, she was making more money than me with my bachelor's degree. All right, so I learned the basics, then I hired a pro cleaner. I focused on getting clients, and she did the jobs. I paid my cleaner 50% and I kept the other 50%. And that's how we both made $72,000 in the first 6 months without ever touching a vacuum. All right, let's break that down. So let's say clients pay you $120 for a job. You pay the cleaner $60. You keep $60. You book 3 to 5 of those jobs a day and you're earning $180 to $300 a day without cleaning a thing. No toilets to scrub, no broom to move, no mop to swish around. Scale that to a full week and you're looking at a real-time sustainable income. To help you see exactly what's possible for your numbers, I built a free tool, the Freedom Calculator. You plug it in. How many cleanings you want to book per week, the average price per job, and the percentage you want to keep. And it instantly shows you your weekly, your monthly, and your annual profit, plus a little freedom score to help you see how close you are to your actual income goals. It takes 30 seconds to use, and it's totally free. Most people never start a business because they think they need money, staff, or a ton of experience. But this model flips all that on its head. You can start small, you can start simple, and you can scale based on your life, your time, and your goals. You're not scrubbing toilets, you're building systems. You're leveraging people's strengths, you're creating freedom for yourself and for your contractors. That's what I've done for the last 18 years, and I've helped others do the same thing. If you're ready to see what your own numbers could look like, go grab the Freedom Calculator. The link is in the description. It's free, it's simple, and it could change the way you think about your income forever. And if you're serious about starting a referral-based cleaning business, I've got more tools, templates, and step-by-step training waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please drop a like and subscribe. And let me know what you think in the comments. Would you rather clean houses or run the business behind them? I hope you have a great day.